Hey guys, how you all doing? My name is Explansia. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. I think you've already read the title. So today's video is going to be a haul, like a mini haul. I'm just going to be showing you the stuff that I got. I'm planning on shooting a video starting tomorrow, and I'm going to need some of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys. It's actually concerning like content creation and how I take my pictures and my dance videos. So some of the stuff that you might see today, you actually see them on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow. I'll put my handle right here. One more thing, this box is actually a surprise box. So how you buy this box? So there's a link that I'm going to share in the description, and you just have to pay 29 yuan to get this box, and you won't know what's going to come. So it can be any random thing. There are actually some reviews concerning this package, and people actually get prices even as much as an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Guys, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, so I was like, let me try my luck, maybe I can get something. But looking at how light it is, I'm not sure if I got an iPhone, but maybe something else, because people do get small gadgets. I doubt if I have an iPhone. Can you hear that? I'm really wondering what's inside. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So let's get started. The first thing that I got is this shirt. I think I like this shirt because of what's on it. I have a thing for abstract art, and I really love this shirt. It looks kind of small though. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks kind of small, but I like the color, and I have a plan for this one. Like, I have an outfit in my head, so follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so this is the shirt. The next thing that I got is actually a two-piece. I hope it's a two-piece, because like, you know, there's this thing on TAOBAO, like when you buy something, it might seem as though they are showing it as a two-piece, but then when you buy it, only one piece will come. This is actually just a one piece. I thought it was going to be a two-piece, because like it was only showing one thing. Like, I'll show you how it was showing when I was trying to order, but then only one thing came. This is it. I was really interested in the pants, because like I made an outfit for the two-piece. But this is what came. The material is okay, but then I'm really disappointed. I thought the two-piece was going to be in. Anyways, moving on to the next. Other thing I got was actually another two-piece. Yeah, I hope it's a two-piece, because if it's not a two-piece, I'll be so depressed, because I actually planned what I'm going to do for my Instagram, and if this don't work out, then I'm not gonna do it. Oh, it's a two-piece. So it's actually this type of two-piece, some shorts. I love the material. You guys can see the material is so nice. Don't mind my nails. Don't mind my nails. The material is so nice. It's so warm, and the two pieces is quite good actually. I think it's actually my size. It comes with the top. I'm not quite sure about the top, because I think the top is a bit big. I'm a very small girl. I wear size small or extra small, and this looks really big. This looks really big. I don't think I can fit. I don't know. Now I'm having mixed emotions about everything. I don't know if my content plan is going to work, but I hope it works. Fingers crossed. I got is this bag. Ooh, yeah, this is the bag I got. I love the little bears on the bag. The color, first of all, the color looks very nice and it's so light. Oh, it has a zip. I thought it didn't have a zip, so it has a zip. Yeah, it's really cute and stylish, I feel. Yeah, I actually got 2 of these. The other one is not yet in, but I think it's going to be in tomorrow. So I really like this bag. I really love how it's looking. The next thing I got is this pair of jeans. Fingers crossed for these jeans, guys, because like I really love these jeans. I like the pattern. I hope it fits, because on the picture it was showing that the waist is quite big, and I was wondering, because like I usually get jeans that have got a small waist. I'm in size 27 or 28, but I usually get 27 for a perfect fitting. So yeah, I hope these jeans fit. So these are the jeans. Ooh. Yay! So these are the jeans I got. Wow, I think I can fit. The waist now looks small. I think this is going to fit. I'm excited. So these are the jeans I got. I really love the print. The material is very strong. It's a very, very strong material. Got myself a small piece of jewelry. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, I like how it like switches up. There's like the black part and the white part. Please don't mind my nails, guys. So I also got myself some shoes. I'm really excited about these shoes because like when I saw them I was like, I really need to have these shoes, because like I've been seeing people on Instagram wearing this type of shoes and I'm like, I need this. Actually feels so heavy. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. 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 Oh my god, this shoe is so nice. I actually got this shoe in a size 37 because like for heels and slippers I tend to go like a size lower because I have a thin leg. So I decided to get a smaller size. That's size 37. I'm at 38. So yeah, guys, how beautiful is this shoe? Look at the base. Oh my god. So yeah, those are the things that I got for myself. I'm really happy about everything, though I'm just disappointed about one thing, the 2-piece that I was really looking forward to, because like I had an outfit in my head. I was like, I really need to make this outfit. Now that outfit is no more, so I have to think of something else. So yeah, I'm going to use these things in my next video, or in my next videos to come, like my content creation, my Instagram and my YouTube. So you guys should stay tuned. Don't mind my hand. Why am I moving my hand so much? Yeah, so now, moment of truth. We're going to go to this package. I'm really disappointed. I was expecting something heavier, but you guys can hear. I really think it's something useless, because I was seeing the reviews. Others were getting things like pencils, books. Why? Why? Oh my god. This feels so light. I messed up, guys. Why did I buy this? So I have this. really disappointing. And 3 masks. A small notebook. At least the stuff should be worth 29 yuan. I don't know if the things altogether should be like worth 29 yuan. Wow. That's it for this video. I'm really disappointed. I was expecting much from the surprise box, and the 2 piece that wasn't in, that just came 1 piece. Why? I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, guys, share. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.